welcome. Okay lang yan. So, hindi po ako mag-welcome address na wala po yung mga tao nito kasi gusto ko po sila, nandito sila sa stage. Pwede po ba natin ano yung representative ng contestant number 1? Pwede po bang umakyat po kayo? Dalawa po yan sila. United OFW Papos at saka si Cabagis. Contestant number 2, representative. Contestant number 3, representative. Contestant number 4, representative.
Dito ka. Dito sa loob, yes. Sa loob. Belot-belot eh.
Pwede po bang umakyat kayo mula 1 to 10 representative, please?
Sorry. Okay lang kay Ate Belot. Ako yan, pinapahawak sa akin. Kumusta ka? Okay lang, bless. Fighting. Diyos ko, thanks God. Mamaya, mag-usap kami ka mo ha. Courage mo ha. Katakot eh. Ay!
May nanalo na.
Dahan-dahan kayo, watch your step. Oh, marami na natalisod eh. Jen, Enday, tawag ka? Woo! Mga foreigner na tayo ha? Nagdadamay pa. Pero sila si Esther, ayun pala.
Okay na? Nandito na yata lahat?
Ba't pinasasara niyo yung curtain?
In order po yan. So, maraming salamat sa inyo. Hindi po nabuo ang event na ito without this honorable person. Lahat po sila. Nagdahil po sa kanila. Nagdahil din sa inyo. Kaya po namin, you are very much welcome sa lahat po sa inyo. So, hindi po ito welcome address, kundi papasalamat po sa inyong lahat. Si Manager LC po ay may bibigay po sa kanila ngayon ng mga certificate of participation. Sila po ay bibigyan ng manager.
Halika.
Sa bawat representative po ng kandidatang ito, may pinangako po kami na isa po sa candidates representative po ay mananalo ng 100 euro.
Alright, so certificate of participation. This certifies that Power Larnaca has been a contributing member of Miss Universe Cyprus 2025 and is awarded her certificate this 7th day of September. Candidate number 1. Another certificate of appreciation. This certifies that a United OFW Papos has been contributing member of Miss Universe Cyprus 2025. Papos. Another certificate of participation, SI Cabagis. Okay. Another certificate of participation, OPC. Please come forward. Certificate of appreciation. This certifies that the FFOC. Alright, so another certificate of participation. Hiligaynon Group. another certificate of participation, Kubo Group from Limassol. Another again from Visayan Group of Papos. From Casa College, another certificate of participation. Another certificate of participation from Pamulinawe. Alright, so another again from Bibac Papos. Certificate of participation again from OFVC. Another certificate of participation from Menli Cargo. Alright, so another event from Phoenix team. So, that's all.
So dito po, na-draw po namin to kanina lang. So ang nanalo po na representative ay ang 100 euro po ito sa loob. Sa tingin niya, huwag natin patagalin. Phoenix and Bibac Papos! Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa suporta. Asahan niyo po, susuporta po kami sa inyo. Welcome sa Miss Universe Philippines Cyprus. Lalo po sa inyong lahat sa mga bisita, sa mga judges, sa sponsors, sa leaders, at sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Excited. Candidate number 6. Ano ba kayo? Kay Susana kami, Peles. Peles wala.
Yes, partner. Thank you very much. Once again, a big round of applause.
A big round of applause, please.
Yes, of course, to our representatives from different group organizations.
Different group or organization here in Cyprus. Hello Philippines and hello Cyprus and hello Universe!
Kalimera, Cyprus! Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat.
Umatang kay ganda, Guten Morgen!
Yes, partner.
Yes, kumusta po ang lahat?
Mayuman, ikaw?
Yes, it's such an honor to be with you.
And
And
me
of
too.
course, as one of the co-hosts of Miss Universe, and I would like to personally thank the organization for inviting me
Thank
for
you so
today's
much.
event.
Yes.
Yes.
So, partner, without to prolong this event, because they are waiting all of
Of
us.
course, without further ado, let's
Okay,
start.
let's start our program. Alright, so to formally welcome us all and let us give the stage to our very caring, loving, and confidently beautiful with our heart, of course. Yes, partner, do the honor to introduce our guest
Yes,
speaker.
one of our guest speaker today, Consul and Honorary of the Republic of the Philippines to the Republic of Cyprus. Consul Charmaine Garcia Naconico is a dedicated advocate and compassionate leader, serving as the Consul and Honorary of the Republic of the Philippines. With a genuine commitment to empowering Filipinos, she endeavors to foster a deep appreciation for the Philippine culture while developing robust economic ties and bilateral relations with Cyprus. Additionally, Consul Charmaine Naconico is the founder and the chairman of the board of the International Women's Club of Cyprus,